So I am back for a new video. So we're doing guys is shout out of Kilos cause past a lot of years I use in my little cupcake not found cause a new account, new make account up to my ate give his account to me. And why I do this video about Roblox cause I'm my biggest fan of Chaos No Game. Shout out you watching this. Shout out Chaos to friend me. My first name is Dadang. I little cupcake not found and cookies and cream. I good at rivals and I'm a mobile player. And I good at rivals. Black fruits. Gaga is still a brain rot. And skits on me by brain rot. And I know his new game is tawag yun ay skip na laba of brain rot. So that was a comment today. So guys, to do please tell Chaos to friend me. My name is Little Cupcake Not Found. My username is Little Cupcake Not Found. My bago name is Cookies and Cream. Okay? I already added Chaos in your account. Is you can tell your cause please do not pay a bill. So and you are OG, you probably know what account and what my name. Stay tuned for no video. Peace. Bye.